Welcome to the James Shillong Museum of Pan-Atlantic University, one of the few university museums in the whole of the continent, not only in Nigeria. We are very fortunate to have a museum that has a very clear educational purpose. We are here to serve not only the university, we are a unit of Pan-Atlantic University, but to serve the whole community, because we think that art can do a lot, art can contribute a lot. Art can help us to be more human, to learn about our history, about beliefs, about tradition. And this is what we have been trying to do since we opened this museum, to serve our immediate community and the broader community. We have a collection of over 1,300 works. It's a very eclectic collection. It's almost exclusively Nigerian, and we have from Nok terracottas, more than 1,000 years old, to works that were produced, I was going to say last year, but even this year. We have a very serious, probably one of the most comprehensive collections of Nigerian modernist art, and this is at the service of people. Not enough people know that we are here, that this is an accessible museum, that we are welcoming people, and that we want people to know more about what we are as Nigerians. In addition to exhibitions, that is the main activity of a museum, we are very keen on programs and activities. For us, we always say here that the most important person is not the curator, but the educator, because we want to offer programs that help people learn, experience, explore, think about issues. Within the university, we always say that we are the place for critical thinking. This university has some wonderful labs, very good workshops, a good number of well-furnished and good classrooms. It has a good library, but in addition to workshops, laboratories, classrooms, library, we have a museum. A museum is a place where we can think about issues in a very experiential way, in an easier way than going to the classroom and teaching about one thing or the other. A museum offers the opportunity to engage in an attractive and enjoyable way with artworks that say something. We welcome all of you, young people, students, senior people, very senior people, to come and enjoy wonderful collection that we have here on display. Come to the James Shillong Museum of Art.